Hello, Beard Nation. Can I tell you guys how much I love making these videos? I thoroughly enjoy the process. I thrive in this. I crave it. It's something that really makes my life amazing, along with my family and everything else that I love to do. So I just want to first off say thank you guys for being along for this journey, the support, the views, the subscriptions, the shares. Everything means the world to me. So welcome. My name is DanCBearded. My subscribers call me the trusted teacher for all things beard related. And today I wanted to go over a topic that a lot of people have been mentioning lately, and I hope to shed a little bit of light on it and maybe some perspective and even positivity. You guys know how I do. And that is the idea that it seems like a new quality beard company is popping up every hour. You see a new Instagram feed, a new review, a new Facebook post, a new email, a new advertisement, and they all look amazing. They all have great scents, they have great quality, because the little secret of the matter is if you're using good ingredients, it's pretty hard to mess up a beard product. We know the good carriers, we know the essential oils, we know the good fragrance oils. You put them together, you're probably gonna have something that's pretty good. So, with that said, how do you select what you are going to buy? You only have so much money. You need to prioritize where you place that money and what you are purchasing. So after the intro, I'm going to give you guys a couple tips and a couple bits of advice on how I think that you should approach this vast sea of beard companies and narrow it down to what is possible for you, and give you a little perspective that might make your heart rest a little easier and say, okay, I'm doing all right here. So please check out the intro and then hit me with that piece of advice, information, just camaraderie and talk, what we love about this channel. Thought number one, is there something unique about a company that stands out to you personally? I think that's the biggest aspect of how you decide where to place your money. Is it a scent that only they carry? Is it a scent you never thought of or heard of before? Do they have a theme that you love? Do they have artwork that you love? Do they have an owner that stands out to you for some personal reason? There's no way I can tell you what company is unique and is a fit for you, but I can highlight those differences of these companies. I can highlight what makes them unique, and then you decide for yourself if it's a good fit for you. I have companies reach out to me every single day asking for advice. I have people telling me every single day that they're going to make a company. And my number one piece of advice for them, and for any of you that are thinking of the same, is you need to stand out. There are so many companies out there. You need to blaze your own path, your own trail, and make your own lane. What is going to make you stand out from those hundreds and hundreds of small batch beard companies that we see every day? As a consumer, find something that strikes a note with you, whatever that may be, and go with that unique route, and you'll never regret that, because you know that there's not a substitute for that uniqueness. So thought number one is pick something that speaks to you in a unique way. Thought number two, check with your favorite YouTuber. Do they have a discount code with that YouTuber? I say this for three main reasons. One, it's going to save you guys money. I can't tell you how many times people have messaged me and they're like, shoot, I just made an order with so-and-so and I forgot to use your code. I could have saved money and I could have helped you out. So check with your YouTuber. Second reason with that is not only does it save you money, it also helps the person on this side of the lens. When we have these companies with discount codes, I have a select, I believe I'm at 10 now. I've been offered probably 200. I'm very selective. But we do have an affiliate links as well, where when you make a purchase, we get a small kickback. And of course, that's not being pocketed. That's not going anywhere crazy. As we have a channel, we like to improve the quality, and that takes a little bit of money, and any of those affiliates help. I just purchased a new mic for our live streams. We are going to build a studio. We have new lighting coming. All of that costs money, and this really helps to be able to continue doing this hobby that we love. And then the third one is it helps the company. Those discounts is something that they are comfortable with, they have agreed to, they have offered, so we know that it's going to help them by bringing people in to try that out. So that would be my big piece of advice for thought number two, is if you are going to try a company out, see if they have some affiliate with a favorite YouTuber to save you money, help out that content creator, and really draw you to that company. So check with your YouTuber. Anyone, genuinely, doesn't have to be me. Thought number 3, pretty simple one, but I think an important one. Does this company offer what you need? If they don't have what you need, it's probably not the right time to try this company. For example, a lot of you guys require an oil and balm combo. And I've tried out a bunch of amazing companies lately that just have oils right now and will have balms in the future. Well, maybe it's not the right time for you to try that company. Someone like myself, most days I do not wear balm. I do not need balm. I wear it when I'm testing it, but when I'm not, I'm usually just going oil that day. So I'm more than happy to invest in and try in a company that is only offering oil. Some of you want the most bang for your buck to earn that free shipping, and you want to go oil, balm, butter, and co-wash. Make sure a company offers that for you. Maybe that's something you didn't think about before, that if I go one-stop shop, I can save on shipping. Maybe that's an angle you can think about there. So quite simply, does the company offer what you are looking for? Thought number 4 on how you should spend your money and what companies to pick in the beard game. What about this thought? Are they involved in the community? Is this company invested in this pastime that we love and we have built? Do you see them comment on DanC videos? Do you see them interact in the live streams? Do they have their own live streams? Are they making videos? I put a lot of value in that. Being involved in this thing, this brotherhood, this camaraderie that we have grown to love and help and support each other. Are they in there, or are they outsiders that once in a while come in? I think that is an important way. And for me, those are companies that I really like to support, that I really like to push, because they are invested in what we do on a daily basis. So maybe that doesn't mean anything to you, but for some of you, maybe it's a thought to think, you know what? I have seen them involved. I have seen that sweat equity. I have seen those hours they've put into helping the community, and maybe that carries a little value in when you're selecting a company. Thought number 5, my final thought here. I've mentioned it before, I will mention it again, and I'm going to talk about it now. If you are of the mindset that this is a hobby, a collection, a passion of yours, keep that mindset. Don't feel guilty. If you're a purist and you say, I'm going to buy 1 bottle of beard oil and use it till it's gone, then get another, rock on. Do you, man, that's amazing. But for a lot of us, this is something that we enjoy. This is our pastime. This is our hobby. Before I started doing videos, I had purchased 60 beard oils before I even did a single review because I loved it so much. And that was really important to me. I wanted to view it as that collection, as that hobby. Think about if you collect cars and you're going to buy 1 single part for a new car, how many bottles of beard oil would that allow you? If you're a golfer and it's a beautiful day today where I live, if you're going to go golf 18 with a cart, get some food, get some drinks, how many bottles of beard oil could you buy in that time? And when you're done golfing that 2-3 hours, that money's gone. You have the memory and the experience, but that bottle of beard oil, you have that experience of the unboxing. You have that bottle to display and be proud of and get to use and have it for at least months. That's a wonderful thing to think about. I really believe that this is one of the least expensive hobbies and collections that a man can have, and you fully deserve that if you want to have that frame of mind and that mindset. Of course, you don't want to put your family in harm's way or put your money too low, but if you're going to have a hobby, this is not a bad one to have. And if you want to try a new company and you can afford to and you're going to chalk it up to your free time, to your spending money, do it. Don't feel bad about it. That's amazing. You're also supporting these small batch owners that are doing something that they're passionate about. You're helping out the YouTube community. You're helping out all of the beard game, and that's something special. I really, really enjoy that feeling of an unboxing, of that new experience, and that never goes away. So if you're thinking about where to spend your money, and you're feeling guilty, you're feeling like you're doing too much, compare it to a round of golf. Compare it to a new part on a car, on a motorcycle. Compare it to collecting cards or coins. If you look at the money, you might be doing all right there. So that's final thought number 5. I want to leave you guys with a question here. And the question is, how do you decide amongst this vast sea of amazing companies and products, which one that you are going to purchase? Are you somebody of the mindset that this is an amazing hobby and you're going to get stuff that you would like to? Are you someone where it's really got to stand out to you for one reason or the other? I'm really curious here. Are you all about scent? Are you all about the carrier blend? What is the most important reason to you? And what gets you to actually click purchase and get that product sent to your house? I think that's going to help out the companies. It's going to help out me. It's going to help out you guys. I think it's a really good comment and question for us all to interact on. So please answer that down below. And thank you guys for watching today. Stay positive and stay bearded.